Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. I am being a blob today. Don't really have much else to say. I'm being a blob. I apologize for not vlogging at all today. It's nearly 5. I just have genuinely not been feeling good. I don't know. Physically I feel okay. I kind of have a little bit of a headache. But when I say I don't feel good, I also mean mentally I just feel a little bit anxious and a little bit just off, you know, not necessarily super crazy anxious, just not 100%. So I just decided to pretty much just do self-care all day. I've done some stuff in my bullet journal. For next year I will film it for either a dedicated video or a Vlogmas clip. I haven't quite decided yet, but yeah, right now I'm at the supermarket. I'm just going in to get some supplies for beef burgers. I was gonna say hamburgers. I don't call them why are they even called hamburgers? You don't even use ham, you use beef. Anyway, I'm gonna go get some stuff for beef burgers. So I need beef, bacon, buns. I think that's it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna roll the patties. So I just have some mince, an egg, breadcrumbs, and then some seasonings. I think we're only going to use maybe 5 of the patties, 4 or 5, and then we'll freeze the rest. So I just have some baking paper just to separate the ones that I'm freezing, and I'm watching The Office, so I'm going to put you guys into speed up mode so that I can watch The Office. Alright, so these are the ones that I'm going to freeze. They're 100 grams each. And then these are the ones that we will eat. So they're both going to go in the freezer. Sorry, both going to go in the fridge for now. So I'm not sure if my flatmate's going to need one of these ones. But yeah, I'll put them in the fridge and I'll switch these to the freezer. Look at this big boy, you guys. Yeah.